Yeah, yesterday was tough as my first national enduro. It definitely pushed my limits a few times with some of those hills. I wasn't used to the technical riding that off-road Ontario gives us, but I made with it and I tried my best. But I'm looking forward to today, as today's supposed to be a little smoother. So back to my origins sort of thing, and I hope to catch up to the 3 minutes that first place has on me, which I believe might happen. So I'm going to push really hard.
Tell us the story.
I started right before all the pros here, and when they lapped me there, I tried to keep up with them a little bit, and then it got a little risky at some points, getting so speedy with them, because I'm not used to that type of speed with them. But I definitely just learned a lot in this time section about how they ride, how they adjust their body weight, when they give it throttle, when they don't. And so I think just this time section, the whole 2 days really helped me. But definitely riding behind some faster guys helped a lot.